Camera.
Okay. We are Cricket Utsav. Say yes to Cricket Utsav. Cricket for all. Cricket unites us.
For the entertainers and Cricket Utsav, I would say that it is one of those things which you must not leave, in a sense that while you're professionals, you have your own interests. And in this hobby of cricket, we are with you and we welcome you to the Pakistan Embassy ground, and best of luck in your endeavors as well as in your sporting habit of cricket. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
हामीमा हाम्रो आजको चिफ गेस्ट एम्बेसेडर आइसक्नु भएको छ। गरिदिनु न सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरूलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। खेलाडीहरूको एनर्जी छैन क्या आज खेल्नको लागि? सब 2025 को लागि उपस्थित भएका छौं। क्रिकेट उत्सव 2025 भनेको नेपाली क्रिकेटले प्राप्त गरिरहेको सफलता। फेस्टिभल अफ हिमालयज एनपीएल को सेकेन्ड सिजन पनि सुरु हुँदैछ। त्यसैलाई फेलिसिटेट गर्नको लागि मनाउन लागिएको एक उत्सव हो। डिफरेन्ट सेक्टरमा ट्रेनर्स सिंगर बीचको फ्रेन्डली म्याचको आयोजना गरिएको हो। वीएस नेटवर्कद्वारा इनिशिएट यस फ्रेन्डली म्याच और क्रिकेट उत्सवमा उपस्थित हुनुभइदिनु भएकोमा सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरूलाई म आजको यस कार्यक्रमको प्रस्तुता निशा बन्ती हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। Yes, this is a match we are going to play. We are going to watch the game. तर त्यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ सानो छोटो मिठो औपचारिकता निभाउन चाहन्छु। हामीमा निकै नै प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्तिहरू हुनुहुन्छ नै, तर हामी सबैले खेल मैदानमा जुटाउन लामो समयदेखि मेहनत गर्नुभएका व्यक्तिहरूलाई चाहिँ मैले सम्झनै पर्ने हुन्छ। President Association of Nepal ka president, renowned MC, program presenter, and a very good friend of mine. Let's welcome Mr. Vivek Khatioda. VS Network ka initiator, team owner, and business personal, Mr. Sanjeev Upadhyay. Let's welcome Mr. Sanjeev Upadhyay. Energy छैन कि बचाएको हामीले? Let's welcome the CEO of Cricket Utsav, Miss Selina Basnet. And now, the light of the ceremony, pride of Pakistan, well-wisher of Nepal. Let's have a big round of applause for our today's opening ceremony's chief guest, the Ambassador of Pakistan, His Excellency Arbal H. Hasmi. Let's welcome Cricket Director of Bagmati Province Cricket Association, Mr. Anil Adhikari. And we do have Vice President of NRNA ICC, Mr. Manoj Kumar Shrestha. सकौं है औपचारिकतालाई। So without any delay, अब चाहिँ हामी खेलाडीहरूको इन्ट्रोडक्सन राउन्डतिर जाउँ र त्यो भन्दा पहिला चाहिँ I would like to request Vivek Khatioda, President Association of Nepal, President, renowned MC, to have small welcome speech. Let's welcome Vivek Khatioda.
And thank you so much to all our players, celebrities, and on the behalf of VS Networks and the President of the Association of Nepal, we'd like to honor His Excellency and the team of Pakistan Embassy, and we are felt so honored. And we have heard that His Excellency is not well, but having said that, he came right here, so give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He is so true cricket enthusiast and passionate about cricket, and is over there for us to play right here in this ground. And yes, the motto of the Cricket Utsav is to felicitate Nepali cricket. As we all know, the growth of Nepali cricket since we have been qualified T20 World Cup the second time, and this is the pride moment. And another thing is the Festival of Himalayas, the NPL is about to start. So we all are felicitated our Nepali cricket. That's why we are here. So once again, thank you and welcome to all our honorable guests and the celebrities team. You all have managed your time to come to celebrate the Utsav, the cricket Utsav, the festival of cricket. And one more time, we would like to welcome to all the members of Embassy of Pakistan. And our team member हामीले म्यानेज गरिरहेका छौं म्यानेज गर्दा गर्दै केही कुराहरुमा सानो सानो कुराहरुमा केही त्रुटि होला यसलाई चाहिँ क्रिकेटको सदा सहायतालाई बुझेर यसलाई मनन गरिदिनुको लागि यहाँलाई म विनम्रतापूर्वक अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु हामी यहाँ क्रिकेटको भावनाले आएका हौं क्रिकेटको भावनालाई अगाडि बढाउँ फेरि काम गर्न चाहन्छु सो would like to welcome thank you
once again welcome everyone. So are we ready to play? Yes. Let's know our players. I'd like to request CEO Selina Vasne to introduce every player. So, our team entertainer about.
Tiwana. You know him very well.
And he's a star.
and Ananda has given a concert at Pakistan as well.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, you know that. He's from UK. And he's a singer and he's been right here for vacation and he's so much into cricket and that's why he's
excellent.
Here.
So you wanted him to play here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you.
And he is Esraj Garas, the model actor, and very much into cricket.
Wow.
We love cricket and we love Pakistan.
Thank you.
He's a rapper. His stage name is Deoma. And he's amazing rapper, right?
Okay.
So he is also in playing level as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Might be next mayor as well.
Because we have heard that New York mayor, you know. He's Thangatumba singer and he's popularly hit singer. He has lots of big numbers.
Excellent.
He's Saroj Adhikari, he is a comedian, actor.
And so we have to be careful, huh?
Saroj Bhandari, alright. He's Dr. Santosh Upadhyay.
Very famous doctor.
And
celebrity doctor.
And celebrity doctor and he's an event organizer as well.
Yeah.
So, you know,
so he's a multitasker.
Yes.
This is how it is. Thank you.
Sudhir Shrestha, he is also a model actor. He has done lots of music videos and all. So he is so much into cricket, you know.
Thank you.
His CD Vijay Adhikari, he's a comedian.
Okay.
He's so popular mimicry artist and his comedy Darbar is so much famous and trending in YouTube.
Wow.
Yes, this is
so good. Thanks a lot.
And he is Adit Shrestha. He's our team member and he's
a good
yes. Our captain, Biplab Patik, is poet. He's so renowned poet, and he's one of the judges of the first poetry reality show called Poet Idol.
Yeah.
And he's the lyricist, he's the writer, and whatnot.
Yeah.
So we
he's
had
our
poetry
guardian
also,
Yeah.
but Urdu poetry we did last year. Next time,
Yes.
I think we'll have a small segment
Great,
in Nepalese.
great.
Sure.
Great.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. And by the way, I want to share one thing. I was in Lahore in 1988.
Oh,
Yeah, and
How many years ago?
I worked there as a director for a movie, co-director from Nepal, and I was with maybe 14 artists from Nepal. I was leading them, and we made a film.
how's Shivaji doing? He was also in Lahore, you remember?
Yeah,
that
was the last. That was the from that 88.
Shiva Srishta.
Yeah. After 88, I think
He came out. He came out in 92.
92.
Yeah, I think so.
And what I saw is in Lahore, in everybody they admire, like is Nadeem Saab, wonderful actor, and Sultan Rai. They always admired Shiva. I don't know the reason.
Good one. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Vikrant Karki, he's the event organizer and he has a business as well, travel business, and he's so much excited to play cricket. He is our Hardik Pandya. Dilip Okheda, he's a choreographer, model actor, and he's usually play cricket as well.
And which gym you go?
Yeah. Mr. Saurabh Sharma, he is a sound engineer. And he has done sound engineering from Chennai, A.R. Rahman School. So renowned sound engineer. Excellent. Mr. Raja Rajendra, he is a stand-up comedian. He's the most popular stand-up comedian. He's a mimic artist and so much popular in Nepal.
And he's a singer as well.
Singer as well.
Yeah.
I'm neighbor of a very, very famous comedian of Nepal. You know who is he? In Buddha Nilkantha.
Who's that? Can you give it again?
Okay, he just released a movie.
Mr. Akash Khatka, he is running his web portal called Cine Party, and the owner of this, and cineparty.com. He's the owner of it. Here's Mr. Purushottam Malik, the model actor and the cricket enthusiast. Is so much into cricket.
I don't know this.
you might go. Yeah. Mr. Deepak Ghimre, the famous.
I couldn't call you because I was in hospital.
Mr. Pasang Yunsan Lama, media person, and he is running his own channel, and he's so much popular, doing interviews and all.
It's on YouTube. No, which subject you cover? Podcasts on different lifestyle, politics, everything. Interesting to see youngsters doing it.
Mr. Vivek Singh Thaguri, he is the CEO of Image Group of Company, and he's a model, actor, and vice president of President Association of Nepal PAN, and very good friend of mine.
He's my boss. That's why I'm here. You had to be.
Mr. Nirajan Baskota, Manu, he is from Australia. And we have some of the international players as well. So he came from Australia. He's in vacation, and
where in Australia? So you have gangs there?
Kind of. I play cricket over there as well. So.
No, because Sydney, I lived in Australia.
Okay.
And in Sydney there are two gangs. One is a Greek, the other is Lebanese.
Oh, no, I'm not either.
So of course, Nepalese gangs have.
Camera.
We are Cricket Utsav lovers. Say yes to
Cricket Utsav!
Cricket for all. Cricket unites us.
Wrestling!